which was parked in a secluded spot away from the building. She realized how woozy she was after she had traveled walking and needed Marvin's help, but they finally made it. Man, are we leaving? Yes, what's the rush? It's not that late yet. Fuck. And will give him a blowjob too. I don't know, guys. It will be fun if she does. I already told you I need to go home to my family. Just relax. I have a fifth of whiskey in the glove box if you want a swig. Are you joking? You saw how wobbly I was walking. I am not drinking more. We can sit here and listen to music. Then no need to rush home. Actually, I cannot need to rush home. I need to pump. My breasts are getting sore and I don't have my pump with me. I can help with that, you know. No, why not? You need relief. Let's just leave already. I am going to rest my eyes for a minute so I don't get a car sick on the drive. Oh fuck. As she shifts to get more comfortable, she unwittingly spreads her legs further, which doesn't go unnoticed by Marvin. Oh fuck, bro, fuck, guys. Oh, look at that, such perfect legs. I want to pose all over them. And her panties, so delicate. Anna, you are horny back there, aren't you? The drinks messed me up. The shot must have had something strong in it. No alcohol and had nothing to do with it. You love when I touch your legs, and you are shaking when I touched your panties. I was caught up in the mood, nothing more. No, you wanted